These 5-pocket watch wraps are made from navy blue Japanese herringbone canvas. They're lined with dark green suede. The watches just slot into the pockets like this. You can use it for bracelet watches as well as strap watches. And once you've filled all your pockets, just fold down the flap and then you just roll it up like this. And you can secure it with the leather tie. This has got a brass belt closure, so we just secure that, slot it through, and there's a leather keep to keep the flap in place. And there you are, ready for travel or storage.